Hi guys and welcome back! This video is a quick announcement for my German-speaking viewers to say that there is actually a cute life hacks book out now. This is being sold in most bookshops in Germany, Austria and Switzerland, and of course you can order it online over Amazon. To coincide with the launch of the book, Lisa from the German Cute Life Hacks channel and myself, of course, are going to be at the Frankfurt Book Fair on the 20th of October. The publisher of the book is called Löwe, and we're going to be doing a meet and greet at 2 o'clock on Sunday the 20th at their stand at the Frankfurt Book Fair. So if there are any viewers in or around Frankfurt, then please come along to the book fair and I'd love to meet you guys. And to all the viewers who might be living further out but who can speak German or who are learning German, then please check out the Cute Life Hacks book, which I've linked down below. This essentially contains everything which you've seen on both of my channels, including slime recipes, DIYs, life hacks, beauty hacks, and loads more. There's also a lot of exclusive content which I haven't posted onto YouTube. Having everything on paper means you don't have to look online each time you want to make something, and of course it just feels so nice to hold a physical book in your hands. You also get these cute glittery holographic stickers. You can use these to decorate the cover and take part in a contest that's described inside the book. Many of you are probably wondering if there's going to be an English version, but unfortunately there are no plans for that right now because the publisher itself is based in Germany. Though I'm hoping that if this edition of the book does well, there's a chance it might get translated into other languages. And of course, this makes a great Christmas present if you know someone who's learning German or if you happen to live in Germany or Austria yourself. I really hope I'll see some of you guys at the book fair, and I've linked all of the details down below. This is actually my first trip away from Isabel ever since she was born, so I'm really nervous about leaving her alone, obviously with my parents. But I'm also really excited at the fact that I can finally get a whole night of sleep by myself in a hotel room. Amazing! So thank you so much for watching this short announcement. I'm Joanna and I'll see you in my next video.